हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं स्टाटस 213 के फोर्थ प्रॉब्लम के बारे में। सो लेट्स सी। फॉर एन array b of length m, we define the following. Average b is the average of b rounded down, and fb is the maximum difference between any element of b and average of b. You are given an array of length n. Compute the maximum value of fs across all non-empty subsequence s of a. So let's see how we will try to solve this problem. First, we will sort this array. Let's say after sorting the array, we have like 3, 8, 9, 48, 61. So there are basically two cases. First case is to take the last element with one by one with the prefix of this array. And second case is take the first element one by one with the suffix of this array. So let's see for the case 1, we will take 3 and 61, then we will take 3, 8, 61, then we will take 3, 8, 9, 61, and then we will take 3, 8, 9, 48, and 61. Now for each one, we will calculate the average and then return like AR of n minus 1, which is basically last element, and in this case it is 61 minus average. Now in the second case, we are definitely taking first element 3, then we will start taking the suffix of the array. So initially it was 61, then it was 48, 61, then it was 9, 48, 61, and so on. Now for each of these cases, we will calculate average and then calculate average minus AR of 0. And finally, our answer will be the maximum of all the numbers in both the cases. Now we will try to understand this with the code to get more clarity. As I have opened the code, as you can see, it is in the Java language. So first I have taken our array as input, then I have simply sorted this array. And now we are calculating the answer, which we will print in the end. Now we will iterate through the array one by one. Let's say we will take now first element. Now after taking the first element, we will calculate the average using this first element plus last element and divide by number of elements. In the second case, now sum will store first and second element, and then we will calculate the average accordingly, as you can see in the case 1. And at the end, we will simply take answer as maximum of answer, comma last element minus average. Now we will do the same while taking the suffix of the array. Let's say we will take here like the last element, then we will add with the first element and divide by number of elements. Then in the second part, sum will store last and second last element and so on. And finally, we are taking answer as answer of minus average comma AR at 0. And finally, we are printing the answer. So by taking this thing in this way, we are covering all the cases. If you have any doubt in this problem, then you can tell me in the comment and I will try to resolve this. Thank you.